Okay, today guys, we're doing the seafloor spreading activity. And so here's what's gonna happen is for the kids that are at home, if you can print this off, that'd be great. You're gonna see you got one sheet that looks like this, okay? And then you've got this other sheet that has the two continents of South America and Africa, okay? What you're gonna do is first, I would like you to color this. And just like previous with Pangea, you wanna color the corresponding, so these are lines, these are the same fossil remains or fossil records, color them the same color. Just like say with that, okay? Once you've colored it, you're gonna carefully cut it out. What it's gonna look like is like this. So you can see that's Africa, and then here is South America, all right? But you can see they're the same color. All right, so it's really important they're the same color. Neatly cut it out. Okay, after you've done that, then you're going to take this paper and you're going to use scissors and you're going to cut right along the dotted line right here. And what's going to happen is then you're going to have two pieces. All right, so you have this piece and then this piece. But you're going to take the two and you're going to tape it in the middle. All right, so you can see the piece of tape in the middle. So it's going to be just like this. Now you want to bend it inward so that the lines are on the inside. Okay, just like this. All right, then what you're going to do is you will open this up, and in the center, I want you to take a red or orange or yellow marker or crayon or colored pencil and fill this in red. That's showing the mid-oceanic ridge. It's showing where the magma is currently coming up, all right, at the mid-Atlantic ridge. Then what I want you to do is, you can see I took the last one. So if I look at this, I took the very last one here and I folded it this way. Does that make sense? So it's folded this way. And then I do the same thing on this side. I take this and I fold it back like this. So now it looks like this. Okay? All right, now the last step is you've colored out your two continents. And then, oh, I should say the last step. Then what you're going to do is I would like you to tape the two together, one on one flap, South America on one flap, Africa on the other, and you want to make it so that it looks like it's together, like it was initially with Pangea. All right? Now, the last thing you're going to do is you're going to open this up, and we have to give age to the oceanic crust. All right? So the bottom of the seafloor. And what you notice is this. You're going to start here, right below, right here where it's connected, and you can see on both sides of where the magma's coming out, you're going to write 25, and the MYA is million years ago. So 25 and 25. And then the next section out from there, 50 and 50. And it keeps increasing by 25, 75, 100, 125, 150, all the way to 250. And it's the same way here. 50, 75, 100, all the way up to 250. All right? So that will be your completed finished product. Once you're done with this, I would like you to snap a picture like this and another picture like this, and you're going to attach it to Google Classroom, all right? Last thing is this. Let me show you why we did this. So if you come over here, in a normal school year, we've got our tables or desks together. We slide this through here. I can go this way so you can see it better. And now, this would be, at one time we were connected, and then there's a fracture here of these continents, and that's where the mid-oceanic ridge, so these are divergent boundaries, and you can see, look, 250 million years ago, that's how far apart they were. 225, this far. 200, so you can see every 25 million years we're documenting it. And what's kind of cool is it kind of raises up here in the middle, which is exactly what it looks like at the bottom of the floor of the ocean. It's called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Okay, and I keep pulling it and pulling it and pulling it all the way until we're done right there. Now, the one thing I want you to notice, as you can see, so starting out, this is the youngest, this is the oldest. They've actually done core samples of the oceanic crust and dated them, and they find that the age of this crust matches up with the age of this crust. All right, and then they work their way towards the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, and it keeps getting younger in age. All right, so they know this is continuing to have a divergent boundary. So each year we know South America is getting farther from Africa. The Atlantic Ocean is getting larger. All right, and that is a divergent boundary and seafloor spreading. That'll be all.